Caleb with Stain and Seal Experts, and we're out on a deck job today, and you notice we got metal spindles. Most of you guys hate these spindles because it takes so long to mask them off. Some of you are using tape and plastic. Some of you are using paper and or shields. Some of you are even wrapping aluminum foil around it. All of those are great things. But we decided a long time ago that we didn't want to do those things. So what we do on projects like this is we either do them by hand or spray them, that doesn't matter. But we use Stain and Seal Experts penetrating oil-based stains that never dry or stick to metal, which is great because you can cut everything in, you can spray it however you want to do it. But when you're done, you just take some rags, and you wipe them off. And you've got a spot we can touch up. You've got 2 hands, so you can do 2 spindles at a time. In just a few minutes, you can go from a really nasty spindle with stain on it to these over here that are clean. Done, they look great, and generally they look better finished than they did when we got here. So if you're using oil-based stains that you got to mask and they stick and make a film, you should probably think about making the switch to the Stain and Seal Experts brand because it's going to save you time on the job site. It's going to be easier to use. You're not going to deal with masking as much when it comes to jobs like this. So give it a shot. Go to stainandsealexperts.com. Like us, subscribe to us, share. Thanks, guys.